Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope you all are doing good job at your home and enjoying the online classes from your home. So my dear students, today I am here with a new story from your English reader book, chapter number 5, and the name of the story is The Brave Tailor. So students, do you know what is tailor? Person who stitches clothes are called tailor. So students, in this story we are going to read about a giant who create many problems to the people in the kingdom. So now let's read this story. Long ago, a big giant came into a kingdom. So students, before many years, a big giant came into a kingdom and he troubled people and destroyed their homes. Many brave men tried to stop him but failed. So students, the giant troubled people and destroyed their homes. Many brave men tried to stop him to do this, but they all are failed. One day, the king announced a reward for the person who could defeat the evil giant. After this, one day the king announced a reward for the person who could defeat the evil giant. Jed was a tailor. He was young and wise. He went to the king and said, "Your Highness, I can defeat the giant." So students, hearing the announcement from the king, Jed, a tailor, went to the kingdom and said to the king, "I can defeat the giant." Jed was a young and wise man. The king laughed. "Jed, you are still so young. How can you fight a big giant?" After it, when the Jed said to king, "Your Highness, I can defeat the giant." After this, the king laughed at Jed because he is still so young. So, king asked him, "How can you fight a big giant?" Then Jed replied that, "By using my brain, O king." Then Jed said that by using my brain, I can defeat the giant. "Then we need your help," said the king. After listening this, king said, "Then we need your help." It means the king want help from the Jed. Jed put a bird into one pocket. He put some cotton cheese into the other. After it, Jed put a bird into his one pocket and put some cottage cheese into the other pocket. Then he set off to find the giant. After this, he went to find the giant. "Ha!" said the giant, "You do not scare me." When the Jed reached to the giant said, "You do not scare me. I can squeeze water out of stone. The giant said that he can squeeze the water out of stone. Can you? He picked up a small stone and squeezed it hard. Water dripped through his finger. After this, giant picked a small stone and squeezed it hard. After it, the water dripped through his finger. Seeing this, Jed said to the giant, "That's easy," said Jed. Taking the cheese out of his pocket, he squeezed it. Water flowed onto the grass. After this, Jed said that that's easy. He take the cheese out of his pocket and squeezed it. After it, water flowed onto the grass. The giant stood up. But can you do this? After seeing this, giant was totally shocked. He stood up and said, "But can you do this?" He threw a stone high in the air. Then the giant threw the stone high in the air. It took some time to fall to the ground. The giant threw a stone high in the air, then it took some time to fall to the ground. Jed took the bird out of his pocket. He threw it high into the sky. After this, Jed took the bird out of his another pocket and threw it high into the sky. The giant waited for it to fall. But here, giant is waiting for the bird to fall. But the bird had already flown away. So, after this, the giant think that Jed was very strong. Then giant said to Jed, "You are strong. You could be my brother." The giant growled. After this, giant growled and said, "You are strong. You could be my brother." So, my dear students, this is the half part of story from your chapter number 5, The Brave Tailor. The remaining part of story we will be learn in the next video. So, do discuss this with your family members like your brother, sister, mother, father, etc. This story is very interesting. So the remaining part of this story we will learn in our next video. So students, you have to read this story and do the hard words from this chapter. And don't forget to do all the homework or assignment that is given during your live classes. You have to learn all the exercises and hard words of the chapter. I hope you understand this interesting story by the help of this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.